Is your PS5 headset dead silent or cutting out during the middle of a match? Do not worry, because we are going to get your game audio back right now. You are watching TechVibes, and we are jumping straight into the solutions. Usually this happens because of a sync error between your wireless dongle and the console, or a conflict in your system settings. Step 1 is a hard reset of your headset hardware. Most gaming headsets have a small pinhole reset button. Use a paperclip to hold it down for 10 seconds while the headset is powered on. This forces the internal firmware to reboot and clear any pairing glitches. Step 2 is to switch your USB wireless adapter to a different port. The front USB port on the PS5 is great, but sometimes the back ports provide a more stable power supply for wireless dongles. Try the high-speed ports on the back of the console. Step 3 is to check for signal interference. If your console is sitting right next to a router running on a 2.4 GHz frequency, it can jam your headset signal. Move your router at least 3 feet away from your PS5 to clear the airwaves. Step 4 is to manually reassign the controller. Sometimes the PS5 thinks your headset is a second controller or a different input device. Go into your accessories menu and ensure the headset is assigned to your active user profile. Step 5 is to toggle the 3D audio settings. Go into your sound menu and turn 3D audio for headphones off and then back on. This refreshes the spatial audio engine and can often kick the sound back into your ears. Step 6 is to update your headset firmware using a computer. Many headsets from brands like Sony or Turtle Beach require a PC to install critical stability patches. Plug your headset into a laptop and run the official update software. Step 7 is to check the output device priority. Go to your sound settings and ensure that switch output device automatically is turned on. This tells the console to prioritize your headset the moment you turn it on. Step 8 is to clean the 3.5mm jack on your DualSense controller. If you are using a wired headset, a tiny bit of lint can block the connection. Use a wooden toothpick or a blast of compressed air to clear the port. Step 9 is to adjust the microphone level settings. If people cannot hear you but you can hear them, your mic gain might be set to 0. Slide the bar to the middle to ensure your voice is being picked up by the console. Step 10 is to rebuild your database in safe mode. Power off your console and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Select Rebuild Database to fix any corrupted system files that might be blocking your USB audio drivers. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you are using a Bluetooth adapter, make sure it supports the low latency codec. If there is a delay in your audio, it is likely because your adapter is struggling to keep up with the fast pace of the PS5 hardware. If you are still facing any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will be watching the feed and I will try to reply to you within 1 hour. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert hardware fixes. Your audio is fixed and you are ready to get back into the game.